Friend, today I want to explain you chapter 2, that is polynomial. For 9th standard first lesson we have completed mostly all exercise we have discussed. Now we want to start chapter 2. So before we start chapter 2, the topic related chapter 2 is polynomial. But here in this lesson we are discuss polynomial with one variable. We are discuss polynomial with one variable. So first of all, if I will write what is the meaning of variable, so if I will write x or if I will write 2x, so we can say that x is a variable. So what is the meaning of variable? Symbol which takes different numerical value is called variable. Symbol which takes different numerical value. If I will write 5x, if I will write 5x. Now if I will put x is equal to 2, then value is 10. So that is called different value, numerical value. So first of all we have to understand polynomial. So before polynomial we have to understand variable, some terminology, and algebraic expression that we already have learned in 8th standard. An algebraic expression is combination of variable and constant connected to, if I will write to x, if I will write 2x, if I will write 2x plus 2x plus 5. So here 5 is called constant term. One of the operation is addition we are using and variable x. If I will write minus, now if I will write 4x square minus 3x plus 5. Now it's a one of the algebraic expression, because in this combination of variable, here x is called variable and constant connected by operation of addition, subtraction and multiplication. Here minus sign is there, addition sign is also there. So examples are 2x plus 3. So x is variable. X by 2 only, I can also write x by 2. It is also a algebraic expression. So now in polynomial, if you will see that here it is a polynomial, here it is also polynomial. Here it is only one term in this polynomial. This polynomial has two terms. This polynomial has three terms. So how we can say first, second, third? So you will see that here it is called terms. So 2x is also a term. So if you will see that example x square plus 2x, x square plus 2x is one of my example. So x square and 2x are example. X square and 2x are example. So more examples are given at here. So if you will see that one example, 2 term, 3 term, 4 term, 5 term, that way we are doing it here. So now here 2 term is there. We know that if it is one term, we can say monomial. When 2 term, binomial. When 3 term, trinomial. More than 3 term, we have to say polynomial. So here 3 term is there. 3y square plus 5y plus 7. Here 3y square, 5y and 7 are term, 3 terms. Here 4 term, a minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2. This polynomial has 4 terms, so we can say polynomial. Now each term has some coefficient. Each term has a coefficient. If I will write it here 4x square, I will write it here 4x square. Then 4 is called coefficient. So here 4 terms are there. So coefficient of x square is minus 1. 4 terms are there and we have to find out the coefficient. So x cube's coefficient is minus 1. X square coefficient is plus 4, and x coefficient is 7, and minus 2 is also has a coefficient. Constant term has a coefficient. Constant term. Minus 2 is a constant coefficient of it, also a variable. Constant term has also a variable, but its power is 0. So whenever you remember it, that constant term has a variable, but its power is 0. So it is called constant polynomial. So monomial, binomial, trinomial, and then we can say polynomial. 4 terms are there. So we can now express related with the power. It is with the term, 1 term, 2 term, 3 term, we can say polynomial. But when power is there, when x the power 1 is there, then which type of polynomial it is? It is called linear polynomial. A polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. So we can write general formula of linear polynomial. One variable is, it is a standard form, ax plus b. Ax plus b where a not equal to 0. If I will put value of a is equal to 0, then this equation cannot stand. So linear equation, linear polynomial with degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Linear equation, polynomial of degree 1 is called linear polynomial. Standard form of is p of x. P means polynomial. P of x equal to ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. 3x minus 7, it's a one type of polynomial. 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7 is one type of polynomial. But it is a linear polynomial. Why? Because of power is 1. So whose degree is 1 is called linear polynomial. These are the example. Now if power 2 is there, then what we can say? When x the power 2. When x the power 2, then what we can say? Then a quadric polynomial, a polynomial of degree having 2. We can say it is a quadric polynomial. Quadric polynomial, when we can say it is a quadric polynomial, when degree of the power is 2, we can say it is a quadric polynomial. Standard form always we have to remember. So here standard form is x square a x square plus bx plus c. P of x equal to ax square plus b of bx plus c, where again necessary condition a not equal to 0. If I will put a is equal to 0, then x square cannot be standard. So we can say that a not equal to 0 is a necessary condition. Now we can write one example. Here it is given, but we can write it 4x square plus 3x plus 2. 4x square plus 3x plus 2 is a one type of quadric polynomial. In this type of question, they ask to write the coefficient of x square, so we can say 4. Write the coefficient of x, we can say 3. Write the constant term, we can say 2. How much degrees, we can say 2. So these type of questions will be asked in exercise 2.1. So before we start exercise 2.1, it is necessary that we have to understand these important terms. So linear is completed, that is degree 1. Quadric polynomial completed, degree 2. Now cubic polynomial. A polynomial having degree 3, we can say it is a cubic polynomial. When degree 3, we can say it is a cubic polynomial. What is the standard form of it? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. We have to write like that. A means it is a coefficient of x cube plus b x square. You have to write b x square plus cx plus cx plus D. So ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. That is related with the cubic polynomial. Again, necessary condition is what? A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. Then we can say it is a cubic polynomial. Now question is, you will see that your question is, one question is also there that you have to find out. Here, x cube minus 4x squared plus 7. Now find the coefficient of x cube. So we can say 1. Coefficient of x square we can say minus 4. Coefficient constant term, that is 7. Coefficient of x cube, second question, minus 3. Coefficient of x square root 8. Coefficient of x 15. And constant term is 17. So these type of questions asked in your exercise 2.1. So anyhow you have to complete exercise 2.1. In 2.1 you have to identify the type, that is linear polynomial, quadric polynomial and cubic polynomial. You have to identify the coefficient of each term. You have to identify the coefficient of each term, and you have to identify the degree of the polynomial. If question is like that, 4x the power 5 plus 4x square plus 4x square plus 1. Now what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is 5 in one variable. What is the coefficient of x to the power 5? Okay, 4. So in one question you have to write the coefficient of each term. And now such questions may be asked in this exercise 2.1. Write the monomial with degree 100. Then you have to write x to the power 100. It's a monomial term. You can write it here 3x to the power 100. We can write 4x to the power 100. But with only one term. Now in some questions they ask like that. Find the degree of, question is like that. Find the degree of polynomial. So now degree is asked to you, so we have to convert first. So 9x to the power 4 plus 4x. So what is the degree at here? It is 4. So always remember that type of questions asked in exam. So it is too much easy exercise 2.1. You have to solve it. You have a textbook. If you have not purchased it, or you can download the chapter 2, print out it, and try to complete exercise 2.1 in your fair book.